today's assembly. Please stand quietly for the national anthem. Trafalgar Primary School would like to acknowledge our local Indigenous tribe, Gurnar Kurna, as the traditional land owners. At this school we recognise the elders and the Indigenous people who had their own cultural space before us. They had their own way of life and contributed to the way we live now. Thank you to the Indigenous people and the Gurnar Kurna tribe for the land that we are meeting on today.
No music awards this week, but there's a quiz.
We are allowed up to 5 people in the classroom to sing.
Yay!
This week the restrictions have changed this week, so I'll read some of it out for you. So, all of the staggered starts, so the A to H and all that, will end on Monday. So school is starting at 9 a.m. and classrooms open at 8:50. All students will finish school at 3:25.
Parents and carers are welcome back on site, provided all visitors to school report to reception.
Parents and carers must remain outside the school gate to pick up and drop off the students.
It'd be helpful if parents are able to park a little further than the school so the children can walk without any traffic.
Anyone on site for 15 minutes must sign into the office.
We ask for all parents not to go to your children's classroom without going to reception first.
Graduation is back on!
Graduation will be on the 14th of December at the high school.
Each student is allowed to pick one parent to attend.
And we'll sell tickets for all the parents that are coming. Final awards assembly will be on the 11th of December. Unfortunately, parents can't attend this event.
Remember, if you're sick, stay home.
Have a great weekend.
Yes?